What is fundamental attribution error? Definition: the tendency for people to overemphasize personality-based explanations for behaviors observed in others while underemphasizing the role and power of situational influences on the same behavior. Example: in 1967, researchers at Duke University set up the following experiment. Participants read an argument either lauding or vilifying Fidel Castro. They were informed that the author of the text had been allocated the viewpoint regardless of his true political views. He was just making a coherent argument. Nevertheless, most of the audience believed what he said reflected his true opinion. They falsely attributed the content of the speech to his character, and ignored the external factors, in this case the professors who had crafted the text.
Read more on mycognitivebiases.com. Everything you need to know about cognitive biases, definitions, examples, experiments, and more.